how she listens. Says nothing of what she thinks. Just goes stumbling through a memory, staring out on the gray street. She thinks, hey, how did I come to this? Dream myself a million times around the world. Can't get out of this place. There's a loneliness inside her. She'd do anything to fill it in. All the colors mixed together to gray, and it breaks her heart. Though she wishes it was different, she prays to God most every night. Though she swears he doesn't listen, there's a hope in her that he just might. She says, I pray, but they fall on deaf ears. Am I supposed to take it all myself to get out of this place? There's a loneliness inside her. She'd do anything to fill it in. Though it's red blood bleeding from her now, felt like cold blue ice in her heart. All the colors mixed together to gray. It breaks her heart. It breaks her heart. The stranger speaks outside her door. Says, take what you can from your dreams. Make them as real as anything, love. It takes the work out of the courage. She says, please. There's a crazy man creeping outside my door. I live on the corner of gray streets and the end of the world. There's an emptiness inside her. She'd do anything to fill it in. Though it's red blood bleeding from her now, felt like cold blue ice in her heart. Feels like kicking out all the windows, setting fire to this life. She will change everything about her, using colors bold and bright. All the colors mixed together to gray. It breaks her heart. It breaks her heart.